exception to that would be the cockatoos in the corner. They can push the gates. Those guys are dealing with pets as well. We get upwards of 500-600 every year. Anything from some of these guys to bearded dragons, pretty much everything. Oh yeah, we get lots of frog too.
Adam? Wala.
I'll switch spots.
We have over 200, less than 300. Yeah, so we have a in the small bird aviary, so there's a lot of especially the most common. As far as I know, he was donated by a Portuguese-speaking family, so he speaks a whole lot of Portuguese. I've never heard much out of him besides that and grumbles. I've heard that sometimes people